you being swamped with chargers, in which case D-Tie is pretty much my go-to brand. They're my supplier's kind of go-to brand too. Really like the product. Really like the product. I can't actually. I've gone through MK. I've gone through Click. I've gone through LAP. These are pretty much the best ones I've found. And these particular ones have your USBs, and it even has a USB-C adapter already built in. So if you're getting stuck with chargers galore and you actually want to use your socket for something other than chargers, this could be a cool little product for you.